Yeah, hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for microprotein reagent. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the kit. Over here you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim, and this is the front view. Here also you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim. Yeah, this is the other side of the kit. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. Erba Diagnostics Mannheim. This is from Germany. Here also you can find the same. Over here you can find the code number of the kit. The code number of the product is 120230. Yeah, this is the code number, and the pack size is 1 into 50 ml. And over here you can find the product name, Erba Microprotein Reagent. Yeah, this is the product name. And over here you can find what are the content present inside. Yeah, it comes up with reagent 1, that is dye reagent. That pack size is 1 into 50 ml. And number 2 is microprotein standard, that is 100 mg per dl, that is of 1 into 0.5 ml. Yeah, you can see these are the content present inside. Yeah, after that you find that the shelf life of the product is 24 months. Yeah, this is a C certified IVD product, in vitro diagnostics. And about temperature control, you can see here the details. This product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So that only to maintain the temperature I am using ice pack in this product. At the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Yeah, these are the stuffs present in Erba Mannheim Microprotein Reagent. Thank you.